2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Be careful not to get lost.
Okay. Oh. Butterfly. Oh, where is everyone? Where did they go? Oh, these are Jack's rice grains. I'll follow these to catch up to them. Oh, these rice grains are moving. Oh, it's the ants. Hey, wait! Hey, ants! Where are you? Help! What happened? Help! We got caught in a sand trap. We can't get out of here. I'll help you out. Oh, that's it. Here, climb on this. Are you guys okay? Yes, we are. And our grains are safe, too. Now you are our friend. Huh? A friend? Yes, friend. You saved us. Yeah, you are so cool. You deserve to be our special friend. Wow, really? Yay! I'm going to tell my mom. Oh no. Mom. Hey, I think I'm lost. Don't worry. We'll help you. Can you really help me? Sure. Follow us.
Phew! Finally, we were out of the reed beds. Oh, where's Chip?
Huh? He's not here. Oh, no. What? He must be lost. What do we do?
Wait here, my children. I'm gonna go look for him.
Are we there yet? We're almost there. Come on. This way. See that? That's our home. Wow.
Big loads on this side, small loads on that side. Hey, you! Don't just throw it like that. Stack it up neatly. Oh, the newbies! I see that you've brought some rice.
He's our friend.
Oh, and who's this big bird?
Him? He's our friend. Oh.
Your Majesty!
Mommy! It's an honor to meet you, Your Majesty.
Hello. Nice to see you.
Mom! Your Majesty, Chip has saved us. But the problem is, my queen, that he's lost his way home.
Oh, goodness. Your family must be worried.
I miss my mom, my brothers, and sister.
Don't worry. We will all help you to find your way back to your family.
Yay!
All right, here are my orders for Special Operation Chip.
Yes, my queen. Everyone, halt! There's a new order from the Queen. Operation Chip. Action stations!
Action stations! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Chip! Where are you? Oh, what's that? Oh, it's Chip! Chip!
Mommy!
Where were you? I was looking all over for you. You must have been very worried. Thanks for helping me find my baby.
It's the Queen. Address her property, Mom.
Oh, you're right.